Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe to the channel, like this video and also share the video. I'll be sharing out on market movement on the crypto and forex, how you can be able to make money on forex and cryptocurrency trading. And then on this video I'm going to show you how you can be able to make $500 plus on a daily basis using a free forex signal, which I'll be offering you to everybody. I'm going to add 20 persons to this free forex trading. All right, if you listen very carefully, you can hear the sound of bird. Of course, I'm recording this video outdoor. Some birds are making noise out there. All right, so looking at the time of this video, I'm recording it. The time is 14:06. That's 6 minutes past the hour of 2 in the afternoon. So looking at this channel, this is Cash for Coins Forex VIP. I'm offering 20 persons free access. As you can see, I just created it new. It's only 3 subscribers, so I'm going to offer 20 subscribers free access to this VIP. So if you're among of the 20 VIP, kindly click the link below the description or the first pinned comment. Join this VIP comment channel and make money for yourself. All right, so talking about the time of recording the video, 6 minutes past the hour of 2, and this is the last post I made on the channel. If you look at the time, is 13:56. that is to 2. That's 4 minutes to 2, and this is now 6 minutes to 2. As you can see, I'm recording it live, like closer to the time I posted the last signal. So let me take you through on the what I've posted today so far. So this is today. If you look at the upper part, you see today. All right, so as you can see, let me start from the beginning of today's post. So you see what you can get: free signal. They are not paying any dime. All right, so this is yesterday's date was July 5th. I'll also show you some part of July 5th signal. So today started 6:28 in the morning, like ready for signal, guys. We are back for more. All right, so you get signals every day. So this is gold sell, and it hit target 1. As you can see, some profit made, right? This is it, and also it passed target 1 and also ran up to 42 pips. All right, so you will also need to secure your profit at each point. Then we sold gold again, and we layer sold it. So sometimes gold moves very fast, so we do layer sell to be able to make more profit. Okay, so as you can see, 18 pips on gold. You can as well close at any point. So this is what you'll be getting. Then apart from gold, we also see another signal here. This is CHF JPY. We sold it. As you can see, the chart here. Now why I'm saying that I'm recording this video live is, go to your chart or your forex chart, go to trading view, check the chart of CHF JPY. Check whether it went down or it went up. Check whether the signals are accurate. Okay, go there and check if this chart is the same, if actually the price went down, or if there is any dump on the CHF JPY. Okay, so check the accuracy and join and make money free of charge, getting signals. All right, so as you can see, I posted another video, signal. Sorry, not video, signal. This is a Euro USD buy, and then we have a GBP USD buy again. Then we have a GBP JPY buy. So as you can see, it's more than 8 signals. Like you get from 8 to 12. all right, or more than that every day. So you're going to see the result of those signals I mentioned up. Then we went back to gold, because gold is always very quick, all right. So all these ones you can wait for some minutes, some even hours before you see the profit. But gold is always like very scalping, all right. So these other signals last between 1 hour, 2 hours to 12 hours, but gold is always very quick, all right. So that's why you see the immediate report on gold. So this is gold. You sell we bought gold here, and then we closed on 11 pips. Then we sold again, and have 11 pip again, and then it hit TP1 and then TP2. All right, so check the time, it's still on today, and also check the time of posting different signals. Okay. Can you still hear the sound of birds? All right, I'm having some fresh air outside the outdoor, right? So I like nature. I hope you do love nature too, because I do love nature. All right, so let's continue. So these are the report of other signals apart from gold. Here we go back. This is it, the GBP JPY. As you can see, we bought here, and then this is the report. It hit TP1, and then GBP USD. Here also GBP USD hit TP1, and then CHF JPY, this also hit TP1. all right. Then as you can see, this is a CHF JPY, which hit TP1 before, and then today it also hit TP2. That's wonderful. All right, so this is it again. This is the actual signal. This is the result. As you can see, the drop down on the chart. So this is real. This is live recording of my channel. As you can see, I have only 3 subscribers for now. I need 20 free Forex subscribers. Like, if you want to trade Forex, I'll give you this for free for 20 persons. Okay, so do click the link below and join. This is gold again. We sold gold, we layer sold it, and then it hit TP1. all right. So as you can see, this is the end of today's signal so far. After this video, I'll also scalp the market if we can see another entry to close the day. We actually start very early in the morning, from 4 or 6 or 5 o'clock, and depending on the market. Okay, and then we stop at 3 to 4 p.m. every day, from Monday to Friday, of course, because the forex market opens from Monday till Friday. So that's it for today. As you can see, still today being 6th of July 2022. Then this is, sorry, that is 6th of July. Did I say 5th? 6th of July 2022. Then this one was yesterday, 5th of July. As you can see, it changed from being today on the Telegram, because the Telegram shows you the date of posting of any signal. If you are scrolling up or down, as you can see, this is today, which is 6th. Then yesterday was 5th. This was yesterday's signal, so I won't go through it much. I'm just showing you that it's possible for you to be able to get free signal, which I'm offering for 20 persons. So click the link below. Do not waste time on this. Okay, click the link below, join and take part and benefit from free signal. I'm offering this free of charge. Be part of it. See you on the inside. Okay, do you like what you're seeing? If you love this and you want to participate in getting free signals, this is for Forex. Okay, you click the link below or send a DM and you'll be added free of charge. You get daily signals every day. So this is cool and it's free, so you can be able to earn up to this or more than this. You can see this is $200 plus. You can make more than this on your own, and you get the signal free. As you can see, these trades are running, and I give it is free. Okay,